Hello. Sige, G.
Thank you so much for being here. So at this point, are you
Yan, may shawarma dito oh. Solid ang shawarma.
And then inside the pantry, pag-get it ng another passenger dito nearby. So pwede natin and merchandise.
Information about din sa mga models ng tomorrow po yung parang pinaka-launch. Brian of Kid and Dad Motovlog. So nandito tayo ngayon sa TVS area. Yan. So si ma'am, interview natin na mabilis lang about sa doon sa mga bago nilang ino-offer ngayon ng mga e-bikes. Yan.
Yes.
So ako po ma'am personally, kilala ko naman tong TVS. However, ngayon ko lang nakita na nag-o-offer na pala kayo ng mga e-bikes. So pwede niyo po ba kaming bigyan ng brief history at kailan po nag-start si TVS na mag-offer ng mga
Well,
e-bikes?
basically, this is the TVS iQube Electric. So, TVS iQube Electric, this is actually the newest because here in the Philippines, we believe that the future is e-scooters. You know, it's eco-friendly, and at the same time, this is not just a typical electronic bike. Why? Because it runs 140 kilometers sa isang charge, and at the same time, maximum speed is 105. So, top speed niya is 105. And even the design, it upgraded a little because it doesn't look like an e-bike,
Grabe.
especially this one.
Parang
Because
siyang big bike na
exactly,
pinaliit, no?
parang ang Aprila na
Oo.
But if you're gonna take a look at that one, so usually kasi for e-bikes, it's more parang maliit and payat. But look at this, the build, it's actually good sa
Chunky,
mga
no?
sa mga national highways. So I hope that we'll get to know more about this. And tomorrow, please be here tomorrow because we will be unveiling this TVS iQube electric bike.
Alright. Well, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
sa
you, Inang
pagpapaon
Moto.
lang po.
Yes.
Yan. So, yan. Thank you so much. Punta na kayo dito, TVS.
Thank you.
Sa
See
mga
you tomorrow.
interested sa e-bikes. Alright, so dito tayo sa TVS. Free coffee pala dito. Yan, from Pick Up Coffee.
This TVS
page ng TVS Philippines. And then yung
Alright, so we're having the free coffee na yan, binigay niya TVS. So Pick Up Coffee. Yan, napaka-husay niya TVS. So, ang aggressive, di ba? Yan, so nandito rin si Miss Techie and si Motobex. Yan, just spotted here sa TVS booth. Yan. So, chine-check out.
You can just simply open it and you can start charging. In 4 hours, 30 minutes.
Yan, alright, it's Brian of Kid and Dad Motovlog. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Paycon. And katabi natin ngayon yung bagong release nila na 400cc na Maxi Scoot. Ang pangalan ng model ay Slick 400. Ayan. So, ito yung mga specifications niya, no? 4-valve liquid cooled 400cc. Yan, may horsepower na 21.7 at 7,000 RPM. Torque naman na 33.5 Newton meter at 5,500 RPM. EFI na siya, CVT, telescopic yung kanyang front suspension. Double shock yung likuran, mamaya sisilipin natin yun. Ang size ng kanyang gulong ay 120 by 70 yung harap at 150 by 70 naman yung likuran. Front brake at rear brake parehas, disc brake at parehas na rin may ABS. And ano pa ba? Yan, seat height 74.5 cm. So, try natin upuan mamaya, tingnan natin kung paano ba yung height niya, if abot ba natin. And fuel capacity ay 13.5 liters. Yan. So, sir, ilan po ba yung fuel capacity? Fuel economy niya.
Yung KPL ba sir, kilometer per liter?
Ah.
Approximately siguro sir, pabalot ka ng 25.
25.
21 to 25, depende pa yan sa
Sa kung paano
ka mag-drive.
throttle, no? Yan, so napakatipid na rin niya kung ang estimate niya or average niya is 25 kilometers per liter. With 13.5 liters capacity, napakalayo na rin ang mararating mo doon, no, bago ka mag-gas up. So yan, silipin natin yung itsura niya. So kung titingnan natin, no, napakalaki. Actually, sobrang laki niya, no. Ang ganda nung size niya. 400cc, so ano na to, expressway legal na. And comparing do sa mga ibang nakikita natin 400cc, ang laki ng size difference. So with this one, napaka-chunky niya. And makikita mo talaga na solid talaga yung pagkakagawa niya. Even yung mga materials, ayan, kahit inispik mo siya, kahit silipin mo siya ng malapitan, no, napaka premium nung kanyang build. Ayan. At yung kanyang headlight, to, napaka aggressive. Meron siyang DRL na parang kilay. At projector type yung kanyang mga headlight. Ayan, o. Napakaangas. And guess what? 280k lang yung kanyang introductory price. So napakamura para sa ganitong klaseng build quality at design. At syempre mga features. Alright, so the day has come to an end and super nag-enjoy kami ni Kit sa Makina Moto Show 2024 and we'll definitely go back next year. Actually, sa Sunday pabalik kami, no? Alright, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching. It's Brian of Kit and Dad Moto Vlog again. See you on the next video. Peace. We love you.